chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you so much. First off, I want to say thank you to the makeup company Found. They sent me a few things to try and I'm so excited. They sent me this baked illuminating blush and I already have one. So I'm putting that in my giveaway drawer. I haven't quite decided yet when I want to do another giveaway, but I'm thinking it's going to be pretty soon. So you want to be subscribed so you can make sure you don't miss out on that. Next, they sent this moisturizer. It's a brightening moisturizer. Seaweed water cream provides intense hydration to moisturize and plump. It's 92% natural. And I'm gonna actually use this right now. It smells really good. Oh, that does feel really moisturizing. That feels really good. Like it doesn't feel greasy or anything. Okay, anyways, we're just gonna jump into this tutorial now. Oh, I'm gonna try this out sometime. They also sent a red clay facial mask targeted stick that detoxifies impurities and toxins, and it's 96% natural, but this looks really cool. I've never tried a stick face mask, so I'm excited to try that. For primer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. For foundation, I'm going in with my Found Nourishing Liquid Foundation. I love this stuff. And I'm going in with this e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. But yes, this foundation is amazing. As soon as I get a chance, I'm gonna get a different shade. A little bit lighter. But we're gonna make it work. Let me know if y'all like these videos, if y'all want me to keep, you know, doing a full face of Drugstore every once in a while. I can do a full face of high end, but I want to give y'all what y'all want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I probably shouldn't sing. Anytime I sing, my 7-year-old tells me to stop because I'm hurting her head. If you're looking for a good, affordable foundation brush, this brush is amazing to blend foundation out with. For concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm going in with the shade 5 Ivory, and the foundation was in the shade 120 Fair. Alright, I'm just priming my lids and going underneath the eyes with that. It's winter time and I'm getting back to getting really dry underneath my eyes, and I've got to start taking my allergy medicine again. But for the rest of my face, I'm good, but it's just underneath my eyes. Okay, to set my eyelids and underneath my eyes, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Powder High Definition Setting Powder in Banana Yellow. And I just used this brush from Crown. I don't even know what it is. And now to set the rest of my face, I'm going in with this Essence All About Matte Waterproof Fixing Compact Powder. the setting spray that I'm going to use is illuminating, so I don't want too much illuminating dewiness on my face. And I'm going in with just this powder brush, this Juicy Couture powder brush. I'm just going to press that into the skin. Alright, now to bronze, I'm going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm going in with my Morphe M142 brush. Alright, to contour, I'm going in with this CoverGirl Chocoholic Contour Palette. I love this to contour with. These highlight shades are a little bit glittery, so I don't use them that much. I don't mind the glitter. I just really love it for this contour shade. And it is pigmented, y'all. Very pigmented. So if you get this, make sure you go in with a very light hand, because this stuff is not playing. And I just use it to contour my cheeks. For blush, I'm going in with this Essence Satin Touch Blush in the shade 20 Satin Love. And I'm just going in with this Crown Angled Blush Brush. Alright, now I'm going in with this Morphe 187 SE brush. Morphe. I'm sorry, y'all. This MAC 187 SE brush. And just making sure that blush and contour is just good and blended out. For highlight, I'm going in with this LA Girl Strobe Light in 70 watt. I'm just going in with this Tarte brush that I got from a gift set. Alright, for my eyes, I'm going in with two different palettes. I'm going in with this LA Girl Eye Luxe Mesmerizing in Eternalize. And then we were at the store the other day. Oh, I say the other day, it's been a while. And my husband, y'all know, he likes picking out stuff for the way it looks, if it looks cool. And he picked out this Hard Candy Galactic Eyes. And I don't even, this is the only thing that I have from Hard Candy. So I'm excited to see how it does. I've swatched a couple, but it's been a while, so I don't even know how I liked them. It comes with this little brush. Alright, in this LA Girl palette, I'm gonna go in with that really light shade right there. And just put that all over my lid, just to make sure it's good and set. Like I always say, this isn't necessary. I just do this to help make sure my eyes set and to kind of lighten my lid a little bit. Alright, I'm going to go in super light with that color right there. I'm going to go put that in my crease. And I'm focusing it mainly in my crease and then just kind of blending it up a little bit. I want the intensity of the color in the crease and then just a gradual blend towards the brow. Any LA Girl shadow I have this one, and then I have the Nudes palette, and they are so freaking awesome, y'all. Like they really blend out like a dream, and they're so pigmented. And this is just a fluffy brush from a BH Cosmetics set. Now I'm gonna go into a little denser angled brush from the same set. I'm gonna go in with like the maroon shade And I'm just gonna kind of start packing that and working that in that inner corner. And then I'm just gonna go back in with that other BH Cosmetics brush and just blend. I'm gonna take a Morphe B18 brush and I'm gonna go in with that highlighter that I use, that LA Girl highlighter. And I'm gonna use that to highlight my brow bone. Alright, I just made sure it was good and blended with that fluffy BH Cosmetics brush. Alright, now I'm getting a flat brush and I'm gonna spray it with my setting spray. Alright, and I'm gonna go in with that shade right there from that Hard Candy palette. It's not really wanting to come off on the brush. I'm gonna try it with my finger. Okay, it's coming on my finger. Oh wow. I don't know. I feel like it's really glittery and really chunky. I'm gonna swatch on the back of my hand. Okay, it looks pretty on that. On my eye, like it's just so chunky. Like, y'all see how it looks chunky, chunky, chunky? The swatch is pretty, but getting it on the eye to look pretty is a different story. It's so glittery. Oh, it's so glittery. I'm just gonna have to use my finger and then just kind of blend it in some so the chunkiness goes away. But this is just mainly glitter. I'm just kind of dabbing it. I love glitter, like when other people use it, because it's so beautiful, but it's so messy, so I don't like to use it. So I'm just trying to kind of blend it out some. I mean, it's pretty now that it's not chunky and I blended it out. Don't get me wrong, it's so pretty, but it's so messy, so messy. But if you love glitter, if you like glitter and you're used to working with glitter, then you'll probably have better luck with it than me. There we are, guys. There we are. All right, I'm gonna do my brows off camera real quick with this e.l.f. brow pencil in Universal Taupe. And this was literally like $2, so if you've never tried it, you really should. It's awesome. And I will be right back. All right, for eyeliner, I'm going in with this Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in black. For mascara, I'm going in with this CoverGirl Plumpify Blast Pro in black. And normally I don't go in with the regular lipstick for my lips. I usually go in with a matte liquid lipstick, but my lips are real dry today. But anyways, today I'm going in with this Maybelline Color Sensational in Romantic Rose. And this is what it looks like. I just want to do something that's not going to be too drying on my lips. To set everything, I'm going in with this Found Setting Spray. It's Illuminating Makeup Setting Spray with honeysuckle flower extract, and it's 98% natural. They sent this to me as well, so I've never tried this. It tells me to shake it well. Oh, this is the packaging. It's so cute. Okay, definitely spray's good, that's for sure. Y'all, what? Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. See? So I don't like lipstick, regular lipstick. I'm gonna get that matte setting powder and just kind of set that down a little bit. Okay. Anyways, that setting spray is beautiful, y'all. Which that foundation already looks so freaking flawless. I'll link the video above. It was in a video with my current favorites and it's still like my favorite foundation right now. But anyways, if this is like probably my new favorite setting spray because this is freaking awesome. Anyways, that is it for today's look. That is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you have given it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see y'all in my next video. Toodles!